To start off, I'll be using the Millie Organics hair milk, and I'll be using that like a leave-in conditioner. Next, I'll be going in with the Main Choice daily hair dressing, and it is a thick butter, and this is not the first time I'm using this product on my channel. I used this product in the Fulani hairstyle video, and I'll leave that in the description box, so make sure you check out the description box. And I'll be going in with the Jamaican black castor oil just to seal my ends, because yes, it's winter and my hair gets super dry, so whatever I need to do to keep that moisture in, that's exactly what I'm doing, guys. Starting off at the back, I'll be doing a cornrow going straight across to the side of my hair to meet up to the front portion that I'm going to leave out. Guys, I'm telling you, this hurt my hand so much. And sorry if I'm covering up what I'm doing. That's the best way I could have hold my hands to do the cornrow. Reach towards the end, you're going to braid it out like to an inch, then you're going to let it go, because I am going to use the perm rod. And then guys, I'm going to repeat the same thing to the rest of the back section. The front section, instead of making a part going across, I'll be making a part going downwards. Now I'll be doing the cornrow going upwards. Now I'm twisting the braids to move it up closer to where I'm going to curl my hair, and then I'm going to pin it in place. Start off I'll be using blue and white spiral rods to curl the hair. Now I'll be using the Lotte Body hair mousse just to smooth the hair out. First, you twirl the hair around so it will be easier to push it through the loop. It's almost like crochet, and you push it up towards the root of the hair and twirl your hair around. Then there's this blue thing on or white that comes in the pot that's supposed to secure the hair. At the top, I'll be using some perm rods because I want a variation of curls. So yeah, and I'll be curling them on there instead of twirling them around. This is the next day and I'm going to take my bonnet off, then unravel my hair. And guys, look, two already fall out. I'm separating the hair for more definition, aka volume. Guys, don't forget to twirl the curl at the end because this will help to reduce frizz. Moving on to one of my favorite part of the style, to add jewels all over the hair. Now guys, this is the end of the video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up, leave all your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you ever try this style, tag me on Instagram at momouniquelynatural to be featured on my Facebook page. And until my next video guys, one love.